Hey, it's Dan Holloway here, and I wanted to shoot you a quick video to congratulate you for submitting your application to the SFM. So congratulations and well done for taking the first step. Now, I also wanted to let you know that if they haven't been in touch already, your SFM consultant, that's either Dan or Ash or Ollie, they're going to reach out with you very soon to discuss next steps, to kind of outline, the agenda and what to expect with the SFM, help you with any questions that you have, and basically be your point of reference and your first line of contact into the SFM community as you go through this journey. However, in the meantime, if you have any questions at all, anything that you want help with or advice on, I'm your secondary point of contact. All right, so feel free to hit reply to this email or just email me directly. It's dan@scrapthe925.com. That's the number 9 and the number 5. So email me directly and I'll be happy to help with anything that you need, anything that you're not sure about as you get started on this journey. Now, other thing, very important. Now that you've joined the SFM, you are welcome to join my private Facebook group, which includes many other members who are going on this journey and a lot of feedback and content advice and real guidance, from people that have literally just gone through exactly what you're going to go through yourself. Okay, so this private Facebook group is going to be one of your most valuable resources into the community. All you need to do to join is in this email. If you look just below this video in this email, you're going to see a link to join my group. Big blue letters, can't miss it. Click here to join my private Facebook group. So make sure you do that now. Request to join. Now that you've obviously submitted your application, I will approve that request. You can join my private group, and again, that's going to be a very valuable resource to network and to engage with people who are going through exactly the same thing as you've started going through now by submitting your application to SFM. All right, so as I say, any questions, let me know. Please don't hesitate to reach out. Just hit reply to this email if you need anything. Otherwise, well done again for taking the first step. Thanks very much. I wish you all the best, and we shall speak very soon. Bye for now.